How to fix your missing Instagram notes. If your Instagram notes is missing, this video will help you solve your problem. First, you need to make sure your Instagram is updated. Let's go to the Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. Then, as you can see, my Instagram needs an update. So, just click Update and wait for your app to load. Once the update is finished, open your Instagram, then go to your direct messages. Then you can see the Add Your Notes on your profile. Click it, and then you can add what's on your mind. Once added, your Instagram friends will see it for the next 24 hours. If it's still missing, try uninstalling and installing back your Instagram app.